Hi everyone, today we are learning compound inequality. So let's go over what is compound inequality. A compound inequality is an inequality formed by joining two inequalities. So when we join together, we're using the term and or. So when we have an and, it meant in between. Right. So let's begin with this example. So first we have x greater than 2. Let's say we have a 2 here. 3, 4, 5. X greater than 2. We will go to the right. Next one, x less than or equal to 5. Here is a solid. It goes to the left. Now, when we combine these two together, this is what we will get. X greater than 2 but less than or equal to 5. Notice the answer is in the middle. That's why it's an and in between. The next one can be an or. With an or, it's one direction. Left or right. It cannot be both. We will have no solution if we gonna use both. So for example, y less than -2, -1, 0, less than or equal -2, solid, goes to the go to the left. Next, y greater than or equal to 1. Next, y greater than 1. Open. Go to the right. Now we're going to put these together. Y greater than 1 to the right, less than or equal to -2 to the left. So when we look at our solution, either the solution is on the left side or on the right side. It cannot be both. So now we have some example in wordings, and we will translate this into inequality using and or. So let's label this number. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's go over the first example. A number that is greater than -8 and less than or equal to -4. It has an and here, so this can be an and. So let's start this. -8 greater than -8. That means kind of goes toward the right. That means -7, -6. But less than or equal to 4. So here's 4. Less than meaning go to the left. That means 3, 2, 1. But also equal to 4. So we put a solid. So the answer will be in the middle. And let's put 0 in the middle right here. So this is how we do it. X greater than -8 and x less than or equal to 4. We want to put this together as a compound inequality. So this is how we do it. So we're going to reverse this. Negative 8 less than x and x less than or equal to 4. Since these two are the same, we will put it together like this. Notice the sign are facing the same direction. The smallest number on the left, the greatest number is on the right. Let's go over example 2. I'm thinking of a number that is at most 0 or at least. So this can be an or. So at most 0 meaning the maximum is at 0. So it's going to be solid. But if the maximum is 0, that means everything else has to be negative. That's going to be on the left side. Or at least 2. 2 or more, that means solid 2 goes to the right. So x less than or equal to 0 or x greater than or equal to 2. Example 3 is an n. So more than 0 but less than 10. So here is 0, more than 0, less than 10 is in the middle. There you go. So we write x greater than 0 and x less than 10, but we want the direction to be in the same way. So we're going to flip this. Notice x and x are the same, so we're going to put it together as 0 less than x less than 10. For an or, we don't have to do that, but for an and, we want to write like this. Alright, number 4, it's going to be an or. We can read this all the way. Number 5 is going to be an and. And number 6 can be an or. There you go. And we can do this quickly. Negative 6. Fewer than negative 6, that means less than. But no less than negative 3, meaning 3 or more to the right. Number 5, less than 6 but greater than 2. So greater than 2 goes to the right, less than 6 goes to the left, and this is where the answer is in the middle. So x greater than 2 and x less than 6. Flip this. Then we put it together. There you go. And number 6, less than or equal negative 7 or more than 12. So let's put 0 in here, negative 7 here. Less than or equal to 7, negative, to the left. 12 is greater, so we go to the right. So x less than negative 7 or equal to, or x greater than 12. So that's how we distinguish an and or an or. So thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions or concerns, please send me an email.